Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar CAD, I'm still so far looking at this as 5 ways up for wave A. I still think it needs to make 3 ways down for wave B, which will take out the lower wave 4, and then most likely another uptrend for wave C. I still think it's likely an ABC of B or an ABC of wave 2. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, so far I'm still looking at this as a possible B. This is a possible A. I still think it is more likely that it should be starting a downtrend for a possible C of wave B. Then we would have 5 ways up for the A, 3 ways down for the B, and then probably another 5 ways up for the wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still well, first of all, this thing has been extremely sideways. Pretty much no price action for the past 2 months or more on the daily time frame. But I still think there's some clarity. I still think it looks like a wave 1 here. I still think this looks like a big ABC of 2, lower low wave B. Definitely a very odd looking correction, but it looks like a wave 2, and I still think there's a pretty good chance this could go down in a wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of C of B. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs. I'm definitely primarily looking for shorts because the most recent structure break is to the downside. So I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. I'm looking for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level, maybe something like this. I'm looking for a break of structure to the downside for an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got one nice big impulsive move up, probably likely a wave A. This move down looks very corrective, probably likely a wave B. I think there's a pretty good chance this could go up for a wave C, maybe out to the 50, maybe even more likely to 61% because there's a lot of resistance in that area. So if it does make an ABC correction up to one of these Fibonacci levels, then it makes an impulsive move down, then it makes a break of structure. That's exactly what I would be looking for a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, hopefully the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.